guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got a pin unboxing for you guys. I've got some Disney Loungefly mystery pins. We have got two sets for you today, both Mickey and Friends. We have got 3 boxes of this set and 2 boxes of this one. We are, I think, going to start with this set. So in this set, we can collect Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Pluto, Donald, and Daisy. And this set is the retro blind enamel pin set. I'm just trying to find the other box across the table. Let's get started. These have been sat around my study for so long. I just haven't managed to get round to actually opening them. And I have been sat there going, or maybe I should save them, I can TikTok them. And then I'm like, no, I'm going to film them for you guys. So this is our first bag. We've got the lovely Loungefly tear strip. Let's see who we have. Oh, this is nice. I'm very happy with this one. This one is Mickey Mouse. He is so cute. Look at him all standing there. Now, considering we have just got Mickey, I know who I would absolutely love to go with him. Don't you? So second and last bag of this set. I think this one is... Oh no! We've got our first duplicate. Okay, so Mum, that wasn't the best pick out. Because if you did not know, and I may not have mentioned on the channel, these pin sets were very kindly collected for me by my mum from Hot Topic when she went to America earlier in the year. So if the pulls aren't very good, that's down to Mum, not down to me. Okay, so in this set, before I actually open it, we can collect Mickey, Donald, Minnie, no, Goofy, I should say, Mickey, Donald, Minnie, Pluto, and Daisy. And they are all bubble teas, because this is obviously now a new trend. The first one in that set, who have we got? Oh, that's a very nice green colour. Very nice green colour. We have got Goofy. Oh, he is so cute. So cute. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I do not really collect Fab 5 or Sensational 6 or Elite 8. I only collect them, if I'm being honest, on Christmas pins and attraction pins and pins associated with the park. This beautiful Mickey pin down here, I really wanted a Minnie to go with it. And I may actually try and trade for the Minnie, because I thought they'd be really nice to go with my Walt Disney World and sort of like attractions, because you associate Mickey, Minnie and the Fab 5, well I do, more so with the Disney parks than anything else. On to bag number 2 of the second set. Oh, okay, someone new. These aren't as colourful as I expected them to be, if I'm being completely honest. He is like a very muted yellow. I would have hoped him to be a bit brighter. Still very nice though, because he's not a duplicate. So we're going on to our last box of the video. We're going to give it all the magical vibes that we can. Send that magic this way. And we shall see who we get in our last pin packet. Ooh! This one is quite nice. Still very, very dull colours, not as bright as I expected. But we have Daisy Duck. She's got her big bow at the top there. She's a nice purple colour. Wow. Okay, so out of our 5 pins that we have opened, we only have 1 duplicate and we have 4 unique pins here. I will be keeping this Mickey, and the bubble tea ones I will be using to bulk out my traders because I do not plan on collecting that set. It is just not very, very vibrant. Like these colours on the box, they look like a lot darker and that they'd be a lot more vibrant than the pins actually are. Please let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this pin unboxing and which pin was your favourite. I would love to know. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I really hope you enjoyed this little quick pin unboxing, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye!